Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is the name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts, in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi?
Me.
Let's give it up for Robi. Oh, the animals love Robi. Oh, the animals love Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Are you making some new friends, Robi? Do you know what kind of animal your new friends are? These are the penguins. You're not gonna believe this, but penguins are birds. Penguins have wings, but they can't fly like other birds. Their wings are too small and their bodies are too heavy. But they do have feathers and beaks like birds. Yes, just like that. Funny, isn't it, Robi? Their walk looks a little silly. But when it comes to swimming, penguins are experts. Penguins live near the ocean because they love swimming and catching fish. You're right, Robi. It's cold. So how do penguins stay warm when it's so cold? I'll show you. Penguins have special waterproof feathers and a layer of fat to protect them from the cold. And since you're not a penguin, a hat can warm you up just great, Robi. Look how many penguins, Robi. Penguins live together in big groups, but every penguin also has its own small family, just like us. This is how penguin families start, Robi. Mama penguin lays an egg, and the penguin parents keep the egg safe and warm until the little chick is ready to hatch. Wow, these little penguins have big appetites. But he isn't old enough to eat on his own yet, so the mama penguin has to feed the baby food from her beak. Look at these hungry guys. They're chasing their mama to get more food. These baby penguins are brown, but when they get older, they grow all new black feathers, just like their parents. Do you think all these penguins look alike, Robi? They do to us, but penguin parents can tell their babies apart from all the other chicks. I don't think you can trick these penguins. You still look like Robi to me. Have you had a nice day with your new penguin friends, Robi? Me too, but I think it's time for us to go. We can come back tomorrow and have a nice swim with our new penguin pals. See you later, Robi. Look, Robi, this animal looks just like your teddy bear. And do you know why? Because it's a real bear. But these are no teddy bears, Robi. These bears are real, and they're really big. And these really big bears live all over our really big world. Look at this white bear. He's a polar bear, and polar bears live in cold, snowy places. Polar bears have a white fur that protects them from the cold. Just like your big warm fur hat. Having white fur helps them blend in with their white snowy surroundings. And do you see all that snow? This is a frozen ocean. That's where polar bears live. It's too cold here. I think it's time we go meet some bears where it's a little warmer, Robi. Did you see that bear's nose moving? That's how he smells. Bears have very sensitive noses and can smell food from far, far away. And when a bear smells something in the air, he'll follow it. Look at him standing on two legs. He wants to get a better sniff. What's the bear doing in the river? Is that where the food is? That's it! He's trying to catch a fish. And here's Mama Bear and her little baby bears. They're called cubs, and they're super cute. They just love to play. While the cubs play, Mama Bear likes to take a nap. It's a lot of work caring for the cubs. And this baby bear has a great game, climbing to the tippy tops of trees using his long claws. Another thing bears do with their claws is scratch themselves all over, even their noses. After a long day of eating, climbing trees and scratching, this bear is ready for bed. Good night, Robi. Good night, bears. Oh, Robi, don't be scared. It's a turtle. Turtles are animals called reptiles. That's a shell. Turtles have shells on their backs to protect their bodies, like how a helmet protects your head when you ride a bike. What do you think Mr. Turtle is doing now? He's playing peekaboo with you, Robi. Do you want to have a race with Mr. Turtle, Robi? Okay, Robi. On your mark, get set, go! I think you won, Robi. A race like that can make you very hungry. Turtles love to eat, and their favorite food is lettuce. It's a healthy treat. Turtles come in all different shapes and sizes. Some turtles are small, and others are extra large. Look at this one. And some turtles live in the water, like these guys. Turtles have 4 strong legs to help carry that big, heavy shell around. Yes, shells are heavy, just like a backpack with a lot of books in it. Those are claws. They're like our fingernails, but really, really sharp. Don't touch. Turtles spend time alone, but also have lots of friends. See, Robi? There's one of the turtle's friends right now. Shh, Robi. When turtles are inside their shells, it usually means they're sleeping. Want to see something really cool, Robi? Jump in. This is a sea turtle. Yes, he's a great swimmer. You know why? Because instead of feet like land turtles, sea turtles have flippers. Hey, Hey, look at these turtles, Robi. They're having a party. Just because you're not a turtle doesn't mean you can't play with them. Have fun in the sun with your new turtle friends. Bye, Robi. Bye, turtles. Robi, shh, they're sleeping. These beautiful creatures are called ducks, and they're just about to get up and start their day. Look, Mr. Duck is up now and ready to play. Ducks come in many different colors. There's a brown one, and a black one, and... yes, this one even has some green on him. Look how beautiful he is. It must be great fun being a duck, spending all your time in big groups with friends and family. These big groups are called flocks. Very funny, Robi. You just made a flock of Robis. And when they're together, they love doing fun things. Like swimming. Ducks aren't just fast swimmers, they're fast flyers too. Watch. Good job, Robi. You won. Look, this is a baby duck, and baby ducks are called ducklings and hatch from an egg. Baby ducks learn how to swim soon after they hatch. They just hop in the water and follow their mommy. And if the ducklings swim too far away, the mommy duck just quacks to get them back. That's right, Robi. Ducks talk to each other by quacking. Check out their funny feet. Did you ever see anything like it? Yeah, ducks have special feet that help them paddle underwater. Ducks can stay in the water as long as they want because their feathers are waterproof. See how they take good care of their feathers? Those are some fancy feathers, Robi. You look great. Dinner time, duckies. Those are beaks, Robi. Like all birds, ducks too have beaks to help them eat seeds and drink. Good job, Robi. Even though you don't have a beak, you can eat just like a duck. This is funny. The ducks are looking for food underwater. They can do that too. You may look like a duck and quack like a duck, but you're still not a duck, Robi. Ducks love to fly. That's how they travel from one place to another, just like you. Bye-bye, ducks. Bye-bye, Robi.
Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is the name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi? Let's give it up for Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Look, someone just climbed the tree. Do you know who it was? That's a monkey, Robi. Look at him climb. You can fly, Robi. You don't need to climb like the monkeys. Monkeys come in all different colors and sizes. Some monkeys are brown. Some are black and white. And some have red heads. Look at this one. Monkeys look a lot like us. They have eyes, a mouth, and a cute little nose. They can hold their food just like us and even stand up. I don't think you want to eat that, Robi. Monkeys love fruit too. Monkeys also love to eat leaves and pods that fell off the trees. And monkeys have something we don't. That's right, a tail. The tail helps them balance themselves and climb trees. You should practice, Robi. They're really experts when it comes to climbing. Even baby monkeys can climb really well. Look, Robi. These little guys sure love to play, just like in kindergarten. You want to play too, Robi? Maybe another time. Just like us, the monkeys love to be with their families. Together they play, relax, eat, and have lots of fun. Look at this baby monkey. He's so small. He just loves being close to his mommy where he feels safe. Looks like fun, right? See the hair this monkey has on his body? It's fur. All monkeys have it. It keeps them warm and protects them, just like clothes. And what about cleaning? They clean each other and take out all the dirt from the fur like this. Monkeys love to have company. That's why they all eat at the same time. You better hurry, Robi, if you want to catch up with the monkeys. Bye-bye, Robi. See you soon. Hey, Robi, they're huge, aren't they? These gigantic creatures are called hippos. Hippos are lovable animals who live near rivers or lakes with all their friends and family. Hippos love swimming together. They're just relaxing on the riverbank. Time for you to join them, Robi. Look, Robi, there's Mommy Hippo with her baby. Baby hippos are called calves. They stay with their mommies until they're big and strong. Mommy Hippo loves to sleep. Don't interrupt her, Robi. Hippos spend most of their time in the water. The cool water helps protect them from the hot sun. And unlike us, Robi, hippos can stay in the water for so long because their eyes, ears, and nostrils are on top of their heads. Look! This way, the hippo can still see and breathe while the rest of his body stays cool under the water. Hippos love staying cool so much that they even eat their meals in the water. Those are called water plants, and hippos can't get enough of them. Another reason why hippos love water is because they can float from place to place like this. Look, they're like ballerinas. Big ballerinas. Funny, Robi, you're not a ballerina, but you sure can run with the hippo. When all that swimming and running catches up with them, hippos love to take a nice long rest and get a good night's sleep. That's one tired hippo. Sometimes hippos get so tired, they even fall asleep in the water. Shh, Robi. Don't want to wake up Mr. Hippo. Are you looking for a place to sit, Robi? I think these birds took all the seats. Check out the chompers on this hippo, Robi. They have big mouths and big teeth. Don't worry, Robi. They use their big teeth to play with each other. I bet you never played tag like that before. The hippos have had a long day of swimming, running, eating, and playing. I think it's time for them to go to sleep. And from the sound of your yawn, I think it's bedtime for you too. Say goodnight to the hippos. Good night, Robi. Good night, hippos. Hey, Robi, let me introduce you to your new friend, a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Even zebras look itty-bitty next to giraffes. That's right, Robi. Giraffes have long legs and long necks. Being tall helps giraffes reach all the way to the top of tall trees to get their favorite food. It's silly, Robi. You can't do that. Only giraffes can. That's how they get to eat their favorite food, leaves on top of the trees. And since no other animals are as tall, giraffes get to eat all the leaves they want. Giraffes even have long tongues that help them lick the leaves right off the trees. Imagine a giraffe licking your face like that, Robi. Sometimes being tall isn't so great. When there are no tall trees around for giraffes to get their leaves, they have to eat something else. Do you know what they eat instead? Grass. Giraffes have to bend their long necks all the way down to the ground to eat the grass. And that can be a pain in the neck. Do you know what's even harder for giraffes than eating grass? Drinking from a pond. They have to bend their long legs to do that. It takes a lot of work. Just watch. Look at this baby giraffe. Yeah, this is a baby giraffe next to his mom. He sure is big for a baby. Baby giraffes are called calves, and they're this big when they're born. Bigger than most grown-ups. And just like babies, calves love drinking milk from their mommies. Giraffes are really nice, too. They love spending time with their family and friends, having fun together. Would you like to be friends with the giraffes? Okay, Robi. I think they like you, too. Are you ready to see something really awesome, Robi? Every giraffe has its own special spots. Yeah, check it out. No two spots are the same. Every giraffe is unique, just like you, Robi. Unique means that you're special, and there's no one in the world like you. Of course you're unique, Robi, and I'm lucky to have a special friend like you. Time to say bye-bye to the giraffes. Don't be scared, Robi. That's not a dragon. Nope. This little friend is a chameleon. Chameleons are reptiles and can change their colors to blend in with their surroundings. This makes them the best hide-and-seek players in the whole world. Look, this chameleon turned green because it's walking through green grass. Very funny, Robi. And this chameleon is brown because it's walking on a brown branch. Do you see any chameleons here, Robi? Look closely. Yes, you found it. Robi, where'd you go? You tricked us, Robi, just like a chameleon. This chameleon blends in so well that it even moves like a branch. Watch him sway. Do you know how chameleons are born? They hatch from eggs that their mamas lay in the sand. Soon after they hatch, these little ones are ready to have some fun. Chameleons aren't just awesome hiders, they're incredible climbers too. They have long fingers that help them grab the branches. That's funny, Robi. Other than their fingers, chameleons also use their long tails to help climb and balance. And they even use their tails to hang upside down. Check out this cool trick the chameleon does with its tail. I think you just might be a chameleon, Robi. One of the coolest things about chameleons is their eyes. They're located on the sides of their heads so they can see everything, even things behind them. Yes, Robi, the chameleon can see you. Did you see that? That's how a chameleon eats. It just opens its mouth, rolls out its long tongue, and catches insects. I didn't know you liked eating bugs, Robi. We had a great day with our chameleon friends, Robi, but I think it's time for them to rest. Say bye-bye to the chameleons, Robi.
Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is his name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts, in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi? Let's play for Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi. The animals love Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Be careful, Robi. Don't be scared, Robi. This is just a dog, and he's wagging his tail from side to side because he's happy. Are you happy now too, Robi? Most dogs love people. Some say that a dog can be your best friend. Look at all these dogs, Robi. They come in so many different shapes, sizes, and colors. There are small dogs and big dogs like this. Some dogs have really short hair. And some have really long hair like this. Poor Shaggy Dog can't see because he has so much hair covering his eyes. Even though dogs look so different, they're also a lot alike. Dogs have a very good sense of smell. They use their noses to find things they need. Like food. Dogs love to eat. And eat. And eat. All that eating makes dogs thirsty. Dogs have big tongues they use to get the water into their mouths. Good idea, Robi. You can use a straw to drink. Dogs also have super hearing. See, Robi? The dog can hear you from all the way over there. That's a dog barking. Barking is a dog's way of talking. Good try, Robi, but I think we should leave the barking to dogs. Dogs are also super friendly. Look how happy this one is to see you. And remember how we know when dogs are happy? That's right, Robi. They wag their tails from side to side. And what makes dogs really happy is playing. They love to play with each other and with people. Yeah, and with Robis, too. Look at these baby dogs, Robi. Aren't they cute? Do you know what baby dogs are called, Robi? They're called puppies. And like little babies, they love to play. And also like babies, puppies spend most of their time with their mommies. Their mommy gives them lots of milk so they can become big and strong. After a long day of playing, it looks like this dog needs some rest. And you need some rest too. There you go, Robi. Have a good night. Hey, where's everybody running to? This funny animal is a chicken, Robi, and these are her little chicks. Chickens live together in groups with their family and friends. That red thing on their heads looks pretty funny, doesn't it, Robi? It's called a comb. That comb is too big for you, Robi. Look out! Robi, are you okay? Combs help us tell male chickens and female chickens apart. I'll show you. Male chickens are called roosters, and they have big combs and really long tails. Female chickens are called hens and have smaller combs and shorter tails. That's how we tell them apart. Wow, did you hear that sound, Robi? That's the rooster crowing. Roosters make loud noises like this to let the other chickens know it's time to start the day. Like an alarm clock. That's a good crow, Robi. You're just like a rooster. Do you know what this hen is doing? She's laid eggs and she's sitting on them. And look what comes out of the eggs. A little chick. When chicks come out of eggs, it's called hatching. Even though the chicks have hatched, they enjoy staying underneath their mom where it's comfy and cozy. I don't think there's room for you underneath this chicken, Robi. Sorry. And when they grow up a little, chicks follow their mommy everywhere she goes. Do you know where they're going now? To eat lunch. Their favorite food is seeds. The seeds are for the chickens, Robi. Chickens don't have hands like us, so they use their strong beaks to eat. Robi, you don't have a beak. All chickens are covered with feathers, Robi, and they come in many different colors like brown, white, and black. Feathers protect the chickens and keep them warm. That's right, Robi, just like a woolen hat. It's okay, Robi. The roosters are only playing. But don't get in their way. Their beaks are sharp. You want to play with the chickens some more, Robi? Okay, you can play for a few more minutes. isn't it? These are birds, Robi, and they're flying. That's right. Just like you, birds love to fly. Want to join them? Birds come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Looking good, Robi. Some birds are itty-bitty. And some birds look a little silly. But all birds have two things in common. All birds have feathers and wings. Just like that. Some birds like warm weather. So when it gets cold, they use their wings and fly to warm places far away. But not all birds can fly. Like the ostrich. It's the biggest bird in the world. It's so big that it can't fly. But it does have a beak, just like other birds. They use them to drink and to catch food. Here's a very special bird. It has a long beak that it uses to reach deep down into flowers and drink up the nectar. Time to take a bath. You want to join them? Okay, Robi. Robi, no splashing allowed. Birds hatch from eggs. Did you know that, Robi? This mama bird lays itty-bitty eggs and keeps them safe and warm in comfy little nests like this. The mama bird will sit in the nest on top of the eggs until the chicks are ready to hatch. And nests can be in many places. Chicks are too little to find food by themselves. Yes, these chicks are definitely hungry. Do you hear that, Robi? That's a bird singing. Birds talk to each other by singing beautiful songs. I didn't know you could sing, Robi. Well, it's time to go, but you can hang around and sing with your new friends. Bye-bye, Robi. You want to play too, Robi? Good, because these are funny, furry little friends who love to play. They're called foxes. Quiz time, Robi. Can you tell me what other animal foxes look like? That's right, Robi. Foxes look like dogs because dogs and foxes are from the same family. Yes, Robi, just like cousins. Foxes love family. They live together with their family so they can take care of each other. Just like us, foxes have mommies who take care of their babies. And when baby foxes make a mess, mommy fox has to keep them clean. Bon appetit, Foxy! See this fox's nose, Robi? It's long and pointy to help the fox sniff out food. I see you're hungry too, Robi. But I don't think you want to eat what the fox is eating, Robi. Foxes have big ears. Those big ears help them hear tiny noises from far, far away. Do you hear something from far away, Robi? Then let's check it out. Good ears, Robi. You heard the foxes digging in the ground. And hey, look at this fox jumping. Where did he go? He went home to his burrow. Sometimes their burrows are up high above ground. Burrows are just like houses. It's where the foxes keep their food, sleep, and hang out with their families. Good thing you brought a flashlight, Robi. Foxes love nighttime. It's when they go out and play and eat from their mommies. Yes, and they rest mostly during the day. Let me show you. Be very quiet, Robi. After a long night of playing with their families and looking for food, these foxes are taking a nice nap. Shh, Robi. He's sleeping. You want to play with the foxes some more, Robi? Come with me. Here you go, Robi. Some fluffy foxy friends ready to play with you. Have fun playing, Robi. See you next time.
Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is his name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi? Let's give it up for Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Hey, what was that? It flies like a bird, but it's not a bird. It's colorful. It's a butterfly. Butterflies are insects that come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. And butterflies have 4 wings. Yes, but they're very small, so it looks like they only have 2 wings. That's how they fly so beautifully. You don't need wings, Robi. You fly beautifully without them. Do you want to know something even more incredible about butterflies? Then get ready for this. It doesn't look like it, but these are butterflies too. That's right. Butterflies start their lives as caterpillars, with no wings at all. After a little while, a caterpillar will go into a cocoon. See, a cocoon is like a big fluffy blanket that helps the caterpillar sleep. And you're not going to believe what happens next. When the caterpillar comes out of the cocoon, it's turned into a butterfly. But it needs to stretch its wings first before it can fly. So when it's ready, the butterfly will unfold its wings and fly high into the air. All that flying makes butterflies hungry. Do you know what they like to eat? Sweet nectar from flowers. They fly from flower to flower, collecting as much nectar as they can get. You see those 2 long things on top of its head? Those are called antennae. Antennae help the butterflies find flowers with nectar. But butterflies don't have mouths. So how do they eat the nectar? I'll show you. Other than the antennae, the butterfly has this long tube on its head that's used like a straw to suck up all the nectar from the flower. Sweet, isn't it? I think it's for the butterflies to go find some more food. And it's time for us to head home. Say bye-bye to the butterflies, Robi. Bye-bye, butterflies, and bye-bye, Robi. Look, everyone, it's Robi. You're in the ocean, Robi. Yes, all this water is called an ocean. Do you want to see something really awesome? These beautiful creatures are called fish. They come in so many different colors, sizes, and shapes. These are fish. This is a fish. Even these are fish. Yes, fish are cool, Robi. Look, there are a lot of fish. When fish swim together, it's called a school of fish. Look out for that big fish, little friends. That's a lionfish, Robi. A fish has 2 eyes, just like us. Count them out with me. 1 and 2. And look, that fish has a mouth, too. Fish eat all kinds of things, Robi. This one likes to eat rocks for breakfast. Yes, rocks. But you and I will stick with cereal and fruit for our breakfast. And do you know how fish breathe? Let's go and ask. Excuse me, Mr. Fish. Can you show me how you breathe underwater? Fish have gills to help them breathe. Take a look. Oh, I forgot to tell you something extra cool about fish. You see how this fish moves so smoothly through the water? That's because fish have fins and tails to help them swim fast. Do you want to have a race with the fish, Robi? Okay, let's go. Ready, set, go! And they're off! And it's Mr. Fish by a nose, gills, and a tail! Good try, Robi. Are you tired from the race, Robi? You're not the only sleepy one in this ocean. Take a look. You see, even though their eyes are open, they're actually sleeping. It's how fish sleep. I think it's time for us to get to bed too, Robi. Say goodnight to all our new fish friends. Hey, Robi, this big creature is called a lion. Lions are big cats, very big. And here's another big cat. But this big cat is called a lioness. It's a girl lion. They look alike, but there are a few things that make them different. Look at the lion's fur. The lion has beautiful fur around his head called a mane. The lioness doesn't have this mane. And the lion is also bigger than the lioness. These little lions look like kittens, but they're called cubs. And they live with their mothers. The lionesses take care of their cubs all day long. I think this cub is looking for his mama. Can you help him, Robi? We found the mama! What a happy family! Just like kittens, cubs love playing together and sometimes getting into trouble. Look out, Robi! That was close. Can you guess what the lions are doing, Robi? They're licking themselves. But do you know why? It's their bath time. Lions don't use water to bathe. Instead, they lick themselves to keep clean, just like big cats. Lions help each other keep clean too. In the Lion Kingdom, they help each other stay clean. See? But you know what lions like to do best? They love relaxing in the sun. It looks like that lioness is getting tired. Be careful, Robi. You don't want to get near those teeth. Her teeth are big and sharp to help her eat. But don't worry, she doesn't eat Robi's. Look at these flies, Robi. They're annoying, but they don't keep the lions from getting their sleep. Lions always find a way to rest because they need about 20 hours of sleep every day. Lions love sleeping so much that they'll even climb a tree to find some quiet time. It looks like our day with the lions made you tired too, Robi. I think we should act like lions and find some quiet time too. Bye-bye, lions. Get some rest. Hey, Robi, do you know who these animals are? Let me give you a clue. It's milk. And do you know where the milk comes from? A cow! You're right! And these are the cows. Do you know what that sound is, Robi? That's the sound a cow makes. Moo! That's how cows talk to each other. Cows are big, aren't they, Robi? And all cows eat is grass and hay. Yup, just grass and hay. But they eat a lot of grass and hay. Want to see where cows like to hang out? So let's get a move on. In the open fields, eating yummy grass. That's where cows hang out with their friends. Are you hungry too, Robi? Grass is for cows, Robi, not us. What are you doing, Robi? That's funny. You're changing into the different colors of the cows. Some cows are white, some are brown, and some are black and white. Aw, that's so cute. This is a little baby cow. Baby cows are called calves. When calves are really little, their mommies feed them lots of milk. Are you thirsty for some milk now? That was quick. You drank it all up. Those are horns, Robi. Some cows have short horns. Yes, just like that. But some cows have very, very big horns. Yes, just like that. Whoa, slow down, Robi. These cows are trying to get some rest. Looks like you need some rest too, Robi. Bye, cows. Bye, Robi.
Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is his name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts, in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi? Let's play for Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. It looks like you're ready to ride, Robi. Do you know what animal this is? That's right. It's a horse. Horses are some of the biggest and most beautiful animals in the world. And did you see that, Robi? It's the horse's mane. A mane is the name of the hair on the horse's head. Your mane is beautiful too, Robi. Horses have 4 big, strong legs that support their heavy bodies and help them run really fast. Horses love to run. Look how fast they are. That's called galloping. Let's race the horses, Robi. Don't feel bad, Robi. Horses are some of the fastest animals in the world. That's a foal. A baby horse. It's only been a few hours since this foal was born, and already he can stand up and walk. And in just a few days, a foal like this will be able to run with his friends. But even though foals can run with their friends, they still love staying close to their mamas. And just like babies, foals love to drink milk. Lots of milk. This little guy's hungry. And I see you're hungry too, Robi. Bon appetit. Don't be scared, Robi. That's just a horse neighing. A neigh is the sound horses make when they want to talk to each other. That's it, Robi. I think the horses heard you. When horses aren't running and playing, they're eating. Their favorite food is grass and hay. Hay is for horses, not Robis. Horses are very friendly and love spending time together. I'm sure the horses would love to be friends with you too. And do you know how they show their love for their family and friends? They help keep each other clean. It looks like you're ready to ride, Robi. Okay, go have fun with your new friends, Robi. Giddy up!